Hello, good afternoon. I am Julian Aseo Garcia from Philippines. I am 38 years old, married, have a one child, age 15 years old. I work here in Hong Kong for 6 years. My skills is know how to cook Western food, basic, and willing to learn other food. And I know how to taking care of the newborn, and I studied here in Hong Kong as a caregiver for elderly and baby. My personality is easy-go-lucky, happy, positive, and willing to learn to all the things, and I know how to handle the attitude of other person with positive side. Then I'm always going to the church every Sunday. That's why holiday is very important for me. And my holiday is it's the time to communicate to my family in the Philippines, because family is very important to me. Can I work with co-worker or work alone? I'm willing to take care of the elderly but no experience. Adults, it's okay. Newborn, it's okay because I have experience. And child, for child minding. Thank you. Please check my profile to Helpers Library app. Thank you.